Consider here that we have a rod with a pivot at the point marked X. There are three forces acting on this rod. If we consider the forces to this side, both the 6 Newton force and the 8 Newton force turn the rod in this direction, so they turn the rod anti-clockwise. The 10 Newton force turns the rod in this direction, so it turns the rod clockwise. If we take moments about X, taking the anti-clockwise direction as positive, which is the norm, anti-clockwise rotations are normally positive rotations. Consider each force in turn. The 6 Newton force at a distance of 1 turns us in an anti-clockwise sense. Therefore, it's positive, so we get 6 times 1. The 8 Newton force is at a distance of 4 from the pivot and is also going to turn anti-clockwise, so plus 8 times 4. For the 10 Newton force, the distance is 4 from the pivot and it turns clockwise, so minus 10 times 4. This gives us 6 plus 32, take away 40, which is 38 take away 40, or minus 2 Newton meters. We took anti-clockwise to be positive, so the negative here indicates a clockwise resultant. 2 Newton meters in a clockwise sense.